Hello students, this is Management Aptitude Test 2020 September examination paper I am solving, and we will be solving in this fifth part from question number 65, the logical reasoning segment. So, pointing a man towards a photograph of women said, his brother's father is the only son of my grandfather. So, how is the woman related to the man in the photograph? So his brother, so starting from this, man in the photograph is the brother, and then the father of this person, and then he is the only son. So then there is again a father, grandfather. Now man in the photograph here, man photo. So now this sister, which is a woman, himself, so this is the grandfather. Okay, so finally the answer can be said that she is the sister. Answer number C. Q is the mother. Q's mother is the sister of P. Q's mother, this thing, is the sister of P. S's daughter, S is the daughter of P. And sister of T. So this thing is associated with this. How M is associated with T. So this is a daughter again. So answer is D, that is grandfather or grandmother, because we don't know the gender of this person. Next, pointing to a man, a lady said his mother, lady said his mother is the only daughter of my mother. So how is the man, lady related to the man? So man, so obviously mother. Six persons, A, B, C, D, E, F sits in 2 rows and 3 persons each. 2 row, 3 person each. If E is not at the any end of the rows, that's not a useful information, so we can put it E here. So D is the second to the left of F. D is the second to the left of F. Second to the left means it has to be F at any one corner, either this or this. So we take it in this way. Okay, in another diagram we can take the exact opposite for possibility's sake. D is the second to the left of F. C is neither of E. She is the neighbor of E. So she is the neighbor means in this case we can do it in the right hand side. And E is sitting diagonally opposite to D. So E is sitting diagonally opposite to D. So this is a diagonally opposite, this is a diagonally opposite. And B is the neighbor of F. So B, here we can write B. So in both ways this DBF is confirmed. So CE, only one thing is left, so it has to be A. So then who is to the opposite of A? So opposite of A in these two cases, here if we put A here, options are A, C, E, D. A and C are in the same line, so C is not possible. Opposite of B, obviously in both the cases we get E. So answer is option number B. Each given direction is our statement 1 and 2, and cause of the reason. Okay, First is, if the retired professors of some institutions are invited to deliberate on restructuring of the organization, their contribution may be beneficial for the institute. Management may seek opinion of the employees before calling the retired professors. Management should involve experienced people for the systematic restructuring of the organization. So, we know very clearly that retired professors have lots of experience and can give valuable suggestions. So, obviously, in this case, if only so here we don't need to ask. So seeking opinion of the employees is not a right course of action. So this is not. So only this. Only 2 follows. So option number B. Next one. Incessant rain for the past several days have passed the problem of overflowing and flood, as the river bed is full of silt and mud. So now the course of action is the people should be made aware about the imminent danger of the radio and television, and the silt and mud from the river bed should be cleared immediately after the receding of the water level. Okay. So here also a similar case. Each of the course will provide relief to the victims. Both the given course of action will favor the solution. So D is the answer. 71. Consider the following statement again. Course of action: nuclear weapon cannot make a country secure. We would stop the further increase of our nuclear capabilities. We would destroy our nuclear capability. We would focus on improving diplomatic relationships. See, action 1 is not a good action because the nuclear power can be used in power generation and other stuff. So this is not acceptable. Destroying the nuclear capability is raise another problem where you do it, and this also create a specific issue here. So we should focus on improving. So this is only true. So only 3 follows. In a class of 42 students, Mahek's rank was 16 from the bottom. What is the rank from the top? So 42 minus 16, 26. Rank from the top will be plus 1, 27 from the top. Anu and Vinay are ranked 7th and 11th respectively from the top in a class of 31 students. So what will be their respective ranks from the bottom? Same style है पिछले बार की तरह ही. So अनु के हिसाब से पहले करेंगे. अनु का है 31 minus 7, so 24. So बॉटम से क्या होगा? 24 plus 1, 25. ये फॉर्मूला याद रखिएगा, सही में करेंगे. विनय के लिए क्या होगा? 31 minus 11 plus 1, so 21. So विनय रैंक हो जाएगा 21 और इसका है 25th. C is the answer. There are 5 friends: Sachin, Kamal, Mohan, Arun and Ram. Sachin is shorter than Kamal. Sachin is shorter than Kamal. तो SKMAR तो अलग अलग है. So Kamal greater than Sachin. पहला हो गया. But taller than Ram. So S के बाद R लिख सकते हैं. मोहन इज द टॉलेस्ट. तो ऐसे यहाँ पर मोहन को डाल सकते हैं, लेकिन मोहन के बीच में यहाँ कोई है कि नहीं ये हमें नहीं पता. अरुण इज लिटिल शॉर्टर देन कमल. ओके, सो अरुण इज लिटिल शॉर्टर देन कमल, लेकिन ये इसके बाद या इसके बाद ये नहीं पता है. सो के ग्रेटर देन अरुण and a little taller than Sachin. So obviously इसके बीच में ही आएगा. So MKASR. This is the stuff. So C is the answer.